Hi everyone, I am going to speak on the topic assistive technology for diverse learners. What is assistive technology? It plays a vital role in promoting inclusion and creating accessible learning environments for diverse learners. It empowers individuals with disabilities to achieve their full potential and participate actively in education. Introduction to assistive technology. Assistive technology refers to any device, software, or service that helps individuals with disabilities to overcome barriers of learning, communication, and daily living. It is tailored to meet the specific needs of each learner, providing individualized solutions that enhance their abilities and promote independence. Assistive technology fosters an inclusive learning environment where all students have equal opportunities to engage, learn, and succeed. Types of assistive technology are cognitive assistive technology, sensory assistive technology, and physical assistive technology. Cognitive assistive technology are tools that support functions like memory, attention, and organization, enabling learners to process information more effectively. Sensory assistive technology addresses sensory challenges by providing alternative sensory input or modifying the environment to enhance accessibility. Physical assistive technology aids individuals with physical limitations by providing adaptive equipment or tools that enhance mobility, dexterity, and communication. Cognitive assistive technology. For examples, we can know mind mapping software, text-to-speech software, and organizational tools. The benefits are it provides improved memory and recall, enhanced focus and concentration, increased comprehension and learning. Sensory assistive technologies are visual aids like magnifying glasses, screen readers, and color overlays can enhance visual perception. Auditory aids include hearing aids, captioned videos, and noise cancelling headphones can improve auditory processing. Tactile aids include braille displays, textured materials, and sensory toys can provide tactile feedback for learning. Physical assistive technology include mobility aids like wheelchairs, walkers, and adaptive seating can enhance mobility and independence. Dexterity aids like adapted utensils, grip aids, and specialized keyboards can improve fine motor skills. Communication aids like argumentative and alternative communication devices such as speech generating devices can facilitate communication. Barriers to accessing assistive technology are: first, it is very costly. Financial barriers can prevent individuals from acquiring necessary assistive technology. Lack of awareness. Limited knowledge about available assistive technology options can hinder access. Limited training. Insufficient training for educators and families on using and implementing assistive technology can create obstacles. Strategies for implementing assistive technology. Needs assessment. Conducting comprehensive assessment to determine individual needs and identify appropriate assistive technology. Collaboration. Working collaboratively with educators, families, and specialists to ensure effective assistive technology implementation. Training and support. Proper training and support should be given to teachers, training teachers, and ongoing support to users, educators, and families on using assistive technology effectively. Accessibility. Promoting accessibility by ensuring assistive technology compatibility with existing technologies and learning environments. Engaging diverse learners with assistive technology. First is personalized learning. Assistive technology allows for personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs and learning styles. Increased engagement. Assistive technology can make learning more engaging by providing interactive tools and alternative access methods. Improved outcomes. By providing appropriate support, alternate assistive technology can lead to improved academic performance, increased independence, and enhanced quality of life. Conclusion. Assistive technology is a powerful tool for promoting inclusivity and empowering diverse learners. By addressing individual needs, fostering collaboration, and ensuring accessibility, we can create learning environments where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Thank you.